Hi, this is Doug with Aytwit Engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the string on your crossbow using a piece of paracord. So here's my crossbow. You can see the string has become a little frayed from all my zombie headshot practicing. So first, you have to buy a new string, obviously. See the link in the description for the website. I used 60X. Got to get the exact length for your crossbow model. After you have the string in hand, get a piece of paracord and tie a fixed loop in one end. In this case, I just tied a bowline, but you can use a Honda knot or a figure 8 loop, whatever kind of fixed loop you want. Make sure your paracord is 550-pound test, since it's not only going to be under a lot of tension, but it's also going to be digging into the angles of your bow too. So just make sure it's strong enough to withstand the forces. So once you have a fixed loop on one side, just go ahead and put it over the string and the bow, and then tie a fixed loop on the other side that just makes it around the knock on the other side. So you want it to be like it can just make it there. Now, you just cock your bow however you usually do that. It's going to be a bit harder here because you can see this string is pulling the bow back from not as wide anchor points. So if let's say your crossbow is like 100-pound test, this is going to be like 120 or 30 pounds to pull back. So keep that in mind. So just get it knocked again. Now you can see what happened is that your real bowstring got really loose here. So go ahead and pop it off. Boom. Now take your new string and you can thread it through the loops. So loop on one side. Now it might be that your crossbow string is still too tight, either to take off the broken one or to put on the new one. And what you can do there is fire off the bow and just tie some simple over-under knots to shorten the length of the string a bit, especially since your paracord is going to get stretched out a little bit. Once you have the new string on, just look away as a precaution when you fire it, and got the safety on. And you can take off your paracord. And voila, you got your new bowstring on there. Now you can keep this little paracord restringer you just made in your toolkit. If your old string isn't too badly damaged, you might as well just keep it as emergency backup. But anyway, that's it. I hope this was a bit helpful for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.